What is up, my YouTube family? It is your boy Curtis Wayne back with another video, baby, and we finishing up the beat that I was working on a few days ago. We're about to get into that, see if we can add some bells and whistles, maybe get some nice drums to it, so on and so forth. Try to put together something pretty good, all within the computer system inside of Studio One. Artist. I have the Studio One Artist Edition, still a pretty dope program. I am a hardware guy. I love the MPC. I love keyboards and synthesizers and analog mixers and all that. But since the MPC is gone, I no longer have any of my hardware at the moment. Like I said, I'm going to be upgrading some stuff and getting some new stuff, man, to come in the future, the near future. And right now we're just gonna do what we can with the Studio One, man. So I hope y'all like this video. I hope you stay tuned. Don't unsubscribe from me just because, you know, I'm not cooking in the MP, you dig? I noticed a couple of y'all did that, and it's all good. That just means you weren't meant to be here on my channel. So those that do support, man, I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for the love. I try to do my best to show the love back. I go and follow a bunch of you guys as well. I try to comment, ask questions. If people comment and ask me questions, I try to respond to everyone. So, you know, it is what it is. So let's just see what we can do with this one, all right? Keep rocking with me, baby. Yeah.